Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol COHO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from, and this one continues to just chug along, so definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is we'll just start off at the straightforward one where the seller's currently hanging out at, and that is right up here at 0016. The good news here is that assuming there is no sort of gap down or anything tomorrow, the bulls are going to just resume their battle with 0016 because that's right where the price closed here. And you can see earlier on in the day, the price tried to get up through there, couldn't quite do it. So 0016 is the current battle. The bulls were banging on the door, and then the only problem was that time just ran out, and the closing bell rung. So we'll see what happens with it, but who knows, maybe even a gap up above that level. If that does occur, then that would automatically become a level of support. And that's just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken, you want to see them act as support. However, with that being said, if it does gap up above 0016, sure, that becomes an ideal level of support, but by no means am I saying the price has got to hold above it or else everything's totally ruined. That just wouldn't be accurate. I mean, ideally, yeah, stay above it, but it's not like it's do or die or anything like that. As far as the current kind of near-term level of support, so right there at 0013, price got above that today, and then multiple times, I'm sure you noticed this if you're watching level 2s today, but several times the bears try to press down below there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding up above there. So 0013, that near-term level of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from the broad scope of things perspective, that's where the famous moving average right there comes into play, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher as time goes by. So a very straightforward but highly effective way to gauge the health of the overall move is simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the trend's in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 0013 would be great. However, from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, like I said, the bulls 100% own the chart. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.